Hey, what's going on? It's Roger. Went down to Five Little Monkeys toy store, and my little one wanted this. This is the Rescue Squad ladder and truck, made by Power Drivers. And this is one of those toys that comes with a power tool, and you can kind of, put the batteries. Oh, 4 AA batteries are needed, and you hear them, build them, control them, watch them go. You decide how to play. You have the Power Drivers. This was about $30. Let me see what other trucks they have here. I don't know what happened here. It looks like some kind of error, but power something, music something. You can see that's an error. Alright, so here's a parts and review that you got to put together. There's a price tag, $30. Yeah, I'll probably put this together or open it up real quick. So I took this out, and it comes with a flat head and a Phillips head. You got to put the batteries in here. And then you can actually, let me see if it's, yeah, still got to put the batteries in. Play with power. You can also take it apart, as you can see. Kinds of interesting ways to mess with this. But, just in case you didn't know, 4 AA batteries are required, and they are not included